Are you wondering why we look so happy?
We're receiving eye care right now.
Nenoon.
That's right, eye care.
It might be hard to believe, but we're receiving eye care right now on our smart devices.
Anywhere and anytime we want. Everything we need for our eye care is in here. Since IT technology is so prevalent in our lives, our eyes are constantly fatigued. We spend the whole day staring at TV screens, phone screens, and monitors. This has devastating effects on our eyes.
However, it isn't easy to manage our eyes in our busy daily lives. Eye care, anywhere and anytime we want, for free. The best way for the whole family to have eye care. It is all in here.
Nenoon is an eye care kit that lets you examine your eyes and then suggests a variety of eye exercises based on your results. The process has 4 steps.
First, using the unique technology of this company, you can take an eye examination. The eyeball tracking and distance tracking technology applied to the phone allows you to periodically check your eyesight effectively.
All exams are recorded in a live report. It shows your results and the dates and allows you to monitor your eye condition periodically.
nenoon provides various eye exercises according to the exam results, like playing a game, following the app's directions, and just having fun exercises with your eyes. Just invest 10 minutes a day to see positive results for your fatigued eyes.
Finally, if you need help from experts, the app can connect you to experts in your area. It also enables you to receive consultations based on your test results.
Eyes are the most important part of our body, yet we fail to treat them correctly because of our busy lives. Spend just 1/10 of the time you would spend doing yoga, jogging, or even working out at the gym on eye care.
With nenoon, you can conveniently take care of your eyes while having fun at the same time. Your eyes will feel healthier and much better in no time.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go.